Another breaking news. This month of September has been very good for many people. There was a pending lawsuit on the DV lottery winners. The lawsuit which was represented by the ILA, American Immigration Lawyers Association. And just like an hour ago, there is update from Charles Cook. For those who do not know who's Charles Cook, is among the lawyers who are very key in this particular lawsuit, and other lawyers. So he just updated on the on Twitter account that they have won. So the DV 2020 winners, they will be given their visas. So though he said he's going to give more details soon about everything into the detail, because it is 85 pages, because I went to see there is another attorney who also was part of representing Karen Tumlin. I don't know how to pronounce her last name. A civil lawyer. She was there. She said she just got 85-page decision in our lawsuit and related lawsuit challenging President Trump's immigration ban. So that is what they are going to do. So first of all, I want, just before I go crazy talking detail, so I don't know if you can be able to read, but this tweet, I'm going to put this tweet on the comment and the description so that you can be able to see and read it and understand what does that mean. So he just posted that no ban DV 2020, you win. Details to follow. Get ready to immigrate to, obviously, to US. So I'll go a little bit on that particular area. So I just retweeted that one. So, and he posted one couple websites about the judge, just like the overall decision, and this is what is happening. The title says this is from Immigration Law, Law 360, Law 360. .com. What they say is a breaking news. Breaking news that District Court Judge Shields diverts the visa winners from the ban. So that means this is the news which has just updated a few minutes ago, that the win of the DV lottery. So Law 360, September 4th at 6:29 Eastern Daylight Time, East Coast time. The District Court Federal Judge, wherever this federal judge, on Friday temporarily barred the Trump administration from applying its visa ban to foreign citizens who have won the green card in the diverse visa lottery, finding that the United States Department of State's refusal to process their visas is likely illegal. So here, very carefully, the proclamation, the executive order, when you read it, as they say, one of the arguments of the executive order was the executive order is people not to come to America until December. There is no problem with that. But that order didn't force the Department of State not to give the visa. Give someone a visa, and whether the person will come or not come, based on the restriction of the presidential order, that will be different. So if you get the visa in September, that means you have 6 months to come. So obviously the travel ban, or the ban for, the suspension is until December. So if you get, let's say, mid of September or end of September, it will be October, November, December. So you have January, February, up to March, you can come to America when the suspension ends. So in an 85-page opinion, U.S. District Judge Amit P. Mehta, whatever, said the federal government had unreasonable delayed processing of green cards won by a group of lottery winners and their relatives who had found themselves unable to secure visas to move to the United States under President Trump's visa restrictions. I'm going to put the full article. The judge ordered the federal government to undertake good faith efforts to expeditiously process and adjudicate their green card applications by September 30th, the end of the government fiscal year. The case is Gomez et al. Versus Trump et al. Case number blah 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 blah. That's one. So another something which is very important, someone summarized this one, and what the summary is as follows. this is the summary. Let me show you the summary. So the summary is like this one. So the key points which have been taken, so someone made the summary of this one, and I'm going to post them. So key points in the decision are around the following areas. Number one, it was to stop the full proclamation that was denied, because that was like, then class certification of the DV class was denied, but processing of cases in September, that has been approved. So the people have to be processed the visa, and the government has been ordered to adjudicate the visas by the end of the fiscal year, which is September 30th. That they have to make sure that they have to give the visas. So the extension of the deadline has been denied for now, but will be revisited by court before September 30th. So if the visas are not issued, all people are not invited to the visa interview, the people who are remaining by the end of the fiscal year, before 30th, which obviously now is the beginning of September, if they're not going to accomplish all the visas interviews, that means they are going to extend. So that's why they say extension of the deadline denied for now, but will be revisited by court before September 30th. So still, this is very good news, because now the DV lottery winners for DV 2020, you can process your visa. I'm so much excited as if I'm the one who is coming to America, because I know you already process everything. You already position your mind and everything. I'm going to America. And now pandemic came and everything changed. So what my advice to you for the DV 2020, make sure you have all the documents. And especially remember, the public charge is in effect from end of February. Public charge has started. So if you're going to the interview, you'll be required to fill the form of public charge. Make sure that you have the public charge form, but the documents under your name, not the documents of your parents, not the document of your relative. So that is something you have to know. There is no way that you can show up without that public charge and to be given the visa. So that's something else. So if this is the case, this is the decision, what does that mean for the DV lottery winners of 2021? Basically, as he said, this one, the proclamation didn't specify or instructed the Department of State to deny the visas. So in that particular sense, in that particular case, I believe, I'm not a lawyer, I'm saying, I believe now the visas, even for the DV 2021, will start to be given, will be processed. People will be given the visas from October as normal, but will not be able to travel until after the suspension. So the people who are going to get the visas in October, November, there is a good and bad. What if the suspension is going to be extended for 3 more months? You might not come because of that way. But the good news is, I know there are some, the U.S. Embassy in Ghana, U.S. Embassy in Kenya, those people who got the visas, but because they failed to travel because of the pandemic, their visas were renewed, they were given new visas. I know so far more than 4 people, I know them, they have been given the visas, they issued the new visas, but I saw the advertisement from the U.S. Embassy in Kenya and U.S. Embassy in Ghana. I've seen those there, whatever. So I'm going to post this one right now, but also share the article on this particular, this decision. So this is very, very good. And if you want even like the full PDF, I can send this PDF. I have the PDF of the legal decision, whatever, I can be able to send to you. But I'm just waiting for the 85 pages, class act, whatever, to be able to read it. So I'm very much happy. For any person who still has some question, let me know. But we have to thank the lawyers who worked so hard on this one. And in 30 minutes, whatever, later today, I'll put their link here. They are going to be live to explain in detail, but they will make more information. So this has been very good news for those who have won the DV lottery. So, okay, bye-bye everyone. Let's end up here for now and wait to see what will be able to continue. Yeah. But remember, if you've done the medical, there is a possibility of to be told to redo the medical, but they might also give you exemption for those who have done the medical, not to redo again because you have to pay more money, especially if you have a family. That will be a lot of money. So let's hope everything goes well and you can be having the visa interview this September before But if it doesn't end in the September, they might extend for a few more days to do the interviews for the remaining of the people. So thank you everyone. Goodbye. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel.